Here's how to automatically send a downloadable link or a list of downloadable files to people who sign up through a specific opt-in form. When you're editing that opt-in form in Thrive Leads, so whatever it is, a Lightbox opt-in form, an in-content opt-in form, whatever it is, when you're editing that form, you click on the form itself, on the opt-in form itself, and you go to connect with service. Now, if this is the first time you're doing that, you'll be asked to set up a connection. You can set up an API connection. And you can follow the instructions, they're elsewhere, the instructions on how to do that exactly. So, you choose your service, you choose your list and all that, and you save that. And on this screen where you make the changes to the labels and fields and so on, you'll see this checkbox right here, enable asset delivery. So if I check this, then I get a drop-down menu with a choice of all the downloadable assets that I've set up. And that's it. Right? If this is checked, I select an offer here, and that means anyone who signs up through this specific form will be sent that downloadable asset or that group of assets. So keep in mind that you can only select one of these, but if you can even send multiple offers, so you can send a bundle of ebooks, for example, multiple download links. You simply create an asset group that has multiple links inside it, and then you select that from the drop down. And that is how anyone signing up through this form, once we save that, anyone signing up through this form will automatically get an email with their download links.